Okay, before we go to the next questions, let us understand this first. Okay, you can see here n, and then there's a root. The root is here, and then you can see a, right? So this can simply be written as a 1 by n. Okay, so for example, have a look at this. So you can see here 2 root of 7, right, which can be written as 7 1 by 2. All right, and have a look, even look at this example, 5 root 3, right? This can be written as 3 1 by 5. Same thing if you look here, 7 root 4 can be written as 4 1 by 7. All right, so now let us have a look here again. So when we see this, okay, a to the power m by n, it actually means n root a of m. And I've done here one more example for us here. So when you look here, this is our n, and then this 2 is our m, right? So which can be written as what? A m by n. So it will become 5 2 by 3. All right. So if we're done with this, let us go to question number 1.6, question number 5. Simply simplify. All right. So we'll look at this first. 4 root of 81, right? So before you solve this, we have to find under root is 81. So try to find all the factors of 81. Okay, then 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21, then 3 9s are 27, then 3 3s are 9, and then 3 1s are 3. So in place of writing this 81, we can write 3 into 3 into 3 4 times. All right, same thing with this. You can see here under root here 216, right? So 216, 6 3s are 18, 19 21, 6 6 are 36, then again 6 6 are 36, then 6 1s. So 216 can be written 6 into 6, 6 into 6 into 6, right? Same thing with this 32, right? So we have 32 here, then 2 1s are, 2 6 are, then 2 8s are, then 2 4s are, 2 2, and then 2 1 time. So you can see here 2 5 times, right? 1 2 3 4 and 5. And of course same thing with 225, which is 15 into 15. Okay, so now this 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 can simply be written as 3 to the power 4. Same thing, this 6 into 6 into 6 can be written as 6 to the power 3. All right, and same thing once again with this can be written as 2 to the power 5, and then 15 into 15 can be written as 15 square. All right, so now if we follow back the formula, this simply means 1 by 4. This means 1 by 3, 1 by 5, 1 by 5. Okay, and then if there's nothing here, it means that 2 is here. Okay, every time. All right, if there's nothing, 2 is there. So now what am I doing? So I'm writing 4. Then like I said, this 4 means simply 1 by 4, right? Same thing again here. We already have this 6 cube, but this 3 means 1 by 3. So you can already see that I have written it there. Same thing again. This 5 simply means 1 by 5. Okay, and like I said, 2 is here, right? If there's nothing, 2 is there. So this will be 1 by 2. Okay, so now 4 is going to 1 by 4, then 3 into 1 by 3, 5 into 1 by 5, and then 2 into 1 by 2, right? The reason why we're doing this is we're trying to remove the root. Okay, we're trying to remove this. All right, same thing, divide 3 1s are 3 1s are, 5 1s are 5 1s are, 2 1s are 2 1s are. All right, once we're done with it, we simply have a 3. Then here we have 8 into 6, then 15 into 2, and then simply 15, right? Then 8 6 are 48, then 15 2s are 30, and then 15. So what happens is if we had all the plus here, okay, this and then this, we're going to get 48, and then we already have a minus 48. So plus 48 minus 48 will give us 0. All right, question number Roman number 2, right? 27 minus 1 by 3, 27 minus, everything's 27, right? So 27, if we try to find all the factors, it was 3 9s are 27, then 3 3s are 9, and then 3 1s are 3. So in place of 27, we can write this. So goes for all the others here, right? Now in place of writing 3 into 3 into 3, I can simply write it as 3 to the power 3. Okay, so you can see once again that is what I have done here everywhere here. Okay, so now this is of the form what? A to the power p and then q, right? Which simply means I have to multiply the powers. Okay, p into q, right? So that's what I'm doing. You can already see here p, this is our p, and then this is our q, p q, then p q, then p q. All right, so if we follow the formula, we just have to multiply the powers. Okay, so p multiplied by q, p multiplied by q, p multiplied by q, and then p multiplied by q. That is what we have here. Once again, you can divide 3 1s are 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 3 1s are, right? Now we're having 3 to the power minus 1 multiplied 3 to the power minus 1, and if you look at the bracket 3, and then here remember this 2 is still there, right, which means 3 square. Okay, how do I turn this power to positive? Because you can see the power is -1, right? So simply remember that here 1 is down here, right? Interchange their positions. 1 will go up, 3 will come down. All right, so that's why you can see 1 by 3 into 1 by 3, and here 3 is there, then 3 square is 9, right? So when you subtract this 2, what do you get? 3 minus 9, we're going to get -6, and obviously here 1 ones are 1, then 3 3s are 9. Okay, so we're having -6 by 9, which means 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, or -2 by 3, which is our answer. All right, the last one, once again, find all the factors, okay, for all this here. So if you try to find for 2 4 3, 3 8 24, then 3 1s are 3, then 3 2 are 6, 3 7 are 21, then 3 9s are 27, then 3 3s are 9, then 3 1 time. So 1 2 3 4 and 5, 1 2 3 4 and 5. Do the same thing again. 216 is 6 3 times, okay, and then 256 is 4 times, right? Once we get that, because there are 3 5 here, we'll simply write 3 to the power 5, and then 6 to the power 3. One, there are 3, right? And then 4 to the power 4. Okay, once we are done with that, same thing again, the same formula, right? A to the power p multiplied by q, right? So which means a, and then p multiplied by q. We just have to multiply the powers here. So this is p q, then this is p q, then this is p, this is q. Okay, if you're clear with that, I'm going to have what? 5 pq, right? pq, multiply the powers here. So 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4. So this 3 is already here, I've written, then this becomes 3 to the power -1, 6 square is already here, then 6, remember, -2 is here, okay, so -2, 6 to the power -2, 4 3 is here, I've written, then here 4 to the power -3. All right, once we are done with that, because this is 3 to the power -1, we'll try to make it positive, right? So always remember that 1 is down here. They have to interchange their position. So 1 is up, and then 3 is going down, and the power is now positive. Same thing here, 1 by 6 square, 1 by 4 to the power 3. The negative power has become positive, right? Once we are done with that, then we can simply subtract again. 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are, you can see that what? Denominator is 6 square, and numerator is also 6 square, we can divide, then 4 cube, and then 4 cube can be divided, which means we just have here what? 1 plus 1 plus 1, which if we add, we're going to get 3.